Now here's another one. Here's another idea. This was on Amazon. So this one we did a long trade. Yeah, this was also picked up with the scanner, and then the indicators told us what to do on the trade, and that's what you're going to be learning next Saturday. So this was when we set up on the 11th of September. It was trading at 181.30, and then we had profit take on the 20th when it was trading up at 189.97. So this trade was also another really nice trade set up on a cycle low retracement as well. So it's trading at 181.30. And I won't go through all the detail, but I'll show you kind of where we ended up. So we ended up doing this Condor. So along the 182.5, 185, 192.5, 195, and at around $85. Okay, so then, and then it was right here on the 20th. It was traded at 190.16. So, that's where we got out. So let's take a look at the trade, and I'll show you what it looked like. So going into the trade, here was the trade setup. We had here again, here's that cycle low retracement reversal. This is one of my favorites off that big 200-day. So see this 200-day moving average right there. So you can see it was just churning on top of that for a couple of months, right? Now then we had the cycle reversal here. So this was, what we were looking at, okay? So spotted this with the scanner and then saw the reversal, momentum reversal right there, that orange arrow, cycle 1 positive, and then boom, went long right there, right there. We had a breakout and we were targeting this Fibonacci level right there, 190. So we set that up with a call Condor to make it real cheap, to make low risk trade. So I'd like to make his low risk trades all the time. So this was the trade setup on this one based off that cycle low retracement reversal off the 200. So went long the 182.5, 185 call debit spread, and then sold against it the 195, 197.5. Okay, so we had this, what we call Condor. All right, so we had the total risk of $96 right there. So we're long the 182, 185, short the 195, 197, and boom, our risk is total $96. So potential to make $250 wide spread, less our costs or risk, $154. Potential return would be 160% if it goes out inside our Condor right there. And this one actually did. So here was the trade where it went out right there. It was, well, what the heck here? Oh, I see. So it went out right there at 189.97. So this went from 96, our spread entry cost. Now the spread blew out to 250 right here. So here's our return. So we had $154 per spread or 160% return on that trade going out right there. So, just kind of want to point out the setups and then, how they were